Alright, so today what we're gonna do is figure out what happened to the engine in the wreck. It looks like that the valve cover was busted, as well as this coolant tube right here. The coolant tube is cast aluminum, so I'm gonna weld that up here in just a minute. The valve cover, I ordered that online. So yeah, stay with me. We're gonna get that coolant tube off the motor, and then I'm gonna proceed to weld that guy up. All right, here we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, we got the welding done on that tube. Check it out. No, it's not pretty, but come on, people, this is cast aluminum. It's kind of hard to weld. Yeah. Yeah, not too bad, I guess. Still pretty hot. Alright, yeah, so that about does it on that little tube. We'll get the valve covers in hopefully this weekend, and then, well, hopefully by Friday. Then we'll get the Z motor back in. Man, I want to drive this thing so bad. The little golf cart's going to be, or go-kart's going to be pretty awesome. So yeah, that little coolant tube goes right there. Little bypass tube. Hooks up right there. We'll get that installed here in a little bit. Valve covers on sometime soon, put this motor back in, and drive the Z cart.